What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys making lots of money. And if you're new to this channel and you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps, just hit that subscribe button down below. So today I'll be working with Doordash and Ubereats from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So come along for the ride and stick around to the end, because I always do the breakdown of the tips and how much I make per hour. All that said, let's go make some money. Time is 10:57. Ubereats, you're online. Doordash, looking for orders. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go make some money. First order is from Doordash. 6.7 kilometers, $10. Very nice, Doordash for the first order. So I'm at the Burger King location, and you have to go through the drive-thru to pick up the orders. I like KFC, McDonald's and Popeyes. You don't have to go through the drive-thru. You could go inside and pick up the food. That's pretty good for the drivers, and it's really fast, right? Like on lunchtime here, there's like 10 cars in the drive-thru. Lets the drivers them go inside and pick up the food. It's faster. Instead of us come to the drive-thru, suck. Not good. Yuck. I was in line for 10 minutes. Woohoo! So this customer is 9 minutes away. So I arrived at his location and he said let me text him. So I'm just gonna text him when I'm here. Base pay $6, customer tip $4. That was nice. He came down and got his food. So first he said text him when I'm here, but he was on his way down. That was awesome. So this is $9, 6.3 kilometers, and it's from Doordash. I'll accept it. This is Doordash, $9, 15 kilometers. No thank you, I don't think so. So this is Doordash, $9, 4.7 kilometers. Burger King again. Oh no. So far I'm not getting no order from Ubereats. I'll accept it. Burger King. So right now it's 12:02. Zero order with Ubereats, $19 with Doordash, and I'm on my way to pick up the order from Burger King, which is $9. Look at the line, it's long for Burger King. So I canceled that order. So my completion rate went down to 99%. I'm not taking no order back from Burger King until the dining room open. Everything is back to normal. No more. That's it. Oh no. So I wasted 10 minutes driving all the way to Burger King. So this is Ubereats, $8.11. 9.7 kilometers. Okay, I'll accept that one. So I pick up that food from the sushi restaurant. Customer is 9 minutes away. 7.5 kilometers. Let's go, let's go. Try and make up some time. Uber, $7.16, 8 kilometers. What's up, guys? How's it going? It's been 20 minutes now. Big fat zero order. Nothing. Nothing from Doordash. Nothing from Ubereats. There is lots of batches on Instacart. Well, there was before. Now there's only 3 of them. Instacart. Yeah, I haven't done Instacart since March of 2020 because of the coronavirus. I'm not gonna go shopping for no one to get coronavirus unless there is one batch that worth my time. I'll do it. I don't know if you guys watched my previous video. I did one about Field Agent. Right now they have price check audits. Yeah, if you guys looking for another gig app to work with, check out my previous video. It's called Field Agent, full review. I'll put a link down below for that video. It's important you have lots of apps on your phone, so then you could pick and choose which one you want to work with. I hope you guys making lots of money. It's going on to half an hour, no order. Should I end my shift? I don't know what to do, what to do. So I have a McDonald's order, $4.50, 1.9 kilometers. Accept that. Half an hour, and then I get one order. I'll take it. So this is Ubereats, $7.07, 6 kilometers, Boston pizza. Okay, I accept that. Boston pizza is 6 minutes away, 3.4 kilometers. Customer is 6 minutes away, 3.3 kilometers. The time is 2:03. That's my 3-hour shift has ended. Not a great day and not a bad day. The Burger King took up lots of my time. At least 20 minutes of my time wasted there. So thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the summary. Hello guys, welcome back, and this is summary. I'll start with Doordash. I had 2 delivery with Doordash. From the bottom, base pay $6, customer tip $4, so that's $10. And second one is $9, base pay $6, customer tip $3. And this is Ubereats, the bottom 4. This was $11.10, customer tip $2.98, $10.10, customer tip $2.84, $5.50, customer tip $1. That's so great, I'll take that. $12.24, customer tip $5.16. Thank you very much, that's a good tip. So between Ubereats and Doordash, the total is $57.85 minus $4 for gas equal $53.85 divided by 3 hours give us $17.95. Not a bad day, not a great day. So it was a Wednesday and $17.95 per hour. I'll take that for a Wednesday because that day known for a slow day. It's the middle of the week and lots of people don't buy food for delivery. So thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.